876 Streets.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wayne Clark, aka Ranger, or Abdul Alib, and I would say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All praises, all glory be to Allah for all of this, because it wasn't me. It has every single thing to do with Allah, because I lost a gear cable, an axle, but I still dragged through to hold on to a trophy and a second place prize. I have no idea how much is in it. I can ask you? Okay, but just want to let everyone know that Jam West is the place to be for Drag Rival 3.
876 Streets.